In this video, I'll be sharing with you the best remote jobs you can do with just your phone. So even if you don't have a laptop, there is no longer excuse. Whether you are a stay-at-home mom, a 9 to 5 employee, or a business person looking for an extra income online, this job will let you earn on the go and you can earn up to $200 without having to have experience or go through interviews. This job is something anyone can do. It's something like guiding people on certain DIY or doing translations online, and it's something you can do based on your schedule no matter wherever you are in the world, whether you're in Nigeria, you are in US, you are in Europe, wherever you are in the world, you can do this job. Just ensure you watch this video to the end because the last job might just be the simplest that you can do. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. My name is Stacy, and on this channel, I always share different ways you can make passive income online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online sources. So if you love this type of content, kindly subscribe, turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. The first one on my list is called Field Agents. Field Agent is a platform that pay you to check prices of items at a store by taking photos of displays at the supermarket, your local store, and answer short survey questions regarding an item or some items while you do your daily activities. Field Agent is a mobile app that connects everyday people to carry out survey on certain everyday items you can see on your local store. Sometimes they will ask us to use these products and give your feedback on this app. So you get to pay to do basically what you love doing, like going for shopping and testing new products. It's just something like being a mystery shopper. You are paid to go to your local store or your supermarket in your neighborhood, take pictures of certain items and upload same on this platform, giving your feedback. This is something anyone can do from anywhere you are in the world. No laptop needed. You can do this with just your phone. No special skill needed as well. You can do this on the go when you're doing your daily errand, going for your daily shopping. You can do this by just taking pictures of several items displayed on the shelves of your local store, test the products sometimes, and give your feedback or answer short survey on this platform. And the good part is that you can earn up to $2 to $12. You can earn up to $2 to $12 depending on the task available. So to get started, all you need to do is to go to your app store or your play store, depending on the type of phone you're using, to download this app. Download the app on your phone, then create an account. Once you create an account, you set your location and your schedule. Once you set your profile and your schedule, you will get available tasks on your phone. And the good part is that you can always get notification when there is a valuable task on your phone. Then you can choose the task that is more suitable to you, complete the task, and you earn. So it's as simple as that. From this, you can see should agent make money doing small jobs with your phone. So this is something you may want to try. It's very simple. You're not paying to get started. To download it from Play Store or App Store is free of charge. Something you can do at the comfort of your home. Something you can do during your lunch break at work. So it's very simple to do. It's not difficult. Anyone can actually be a field agent using your phone to answer survey questions, take pictures. Some of these survey questions they will ask you, some of these tasks is that they will ask you to go to your local store, take pictures of a certain items and upload same on this platform, giving your feedback. So this is the first one. The second one is called Steps. If you are fluent in more than one languages, you will earn from this platform. Step is a platform that Gives you gigs on translation. You don't need a laptop to get started. All you need is your mobile phone. It's something you can do from home, from work during your lunch break with just your phone, and you can earn per word translated. This job involves translating documents, tests, or even captions. Sometimes they will require you to participate in live interpretation sections if you so desire, depending on the type of task you choose. The juicy part of step is that you get notification on your mobile phone whenever there is a task for you, which makes it mobile friendly. Depending on the language you are translating, you can earn from as low as 10 cents to as low as 10 cents per word to 30 cents per word translated. So you can earn as much as $300 if you can translate up to 1,000 words. So how can you get started? To get started, you also go to either your App Store or your Play Store to download this app, then create an account. Once you create an account and complete the language proficiency, just to know where you the language where you specialize. So once you complete the language proficiency test, the next is to set your preferred schedule. Once you are approved, you get started and you start receiving tasks to work on. It's as simple as that. From this video, you can see how much that is attached to each. Well, this one is 97 gross to earn $5. So when you complete this, this is translating this from English to Spanish. Once you complete it, you earn $5.55. This is 211 gross to earn $21 $21.27. So you're translating Spanish to English. So once you complete it, you earn. So if you want to go ahead to do any of this job, you view details. So this is also 26 rows to earn $2.08 to translate this from English to French. So you can see it's basically what you need to do on this platform. So just translate words from English to any other language or from any other language to English. This is translation English to Spanish, 8 words to earn 43 cents. This is also translating English to French to earn 8 words to earn 0 points to earn 46 cents. So this is basically how this platform works. Depending on the number of words you're able to complete, you earn. So you can earn as much as $300 when you devote your time doing this. So this is legit. You can check them out, and you download the app and create accounts. Then and you start working on different tasks available for you. You can actually do this from any location where you are in the world, whether you're in Nigeria, you are in US, wherever you are in the world, you can do this. Whether you based in India, anywhere you are in the world, you can actually do this and choose any one you can do. This is to translate 6 words Chinese to English to earn $2. So this is passive income. It might not be as much as what you're expecting, but when you accumulate so many of them, at the end of the month, you might be able to earn something tangible. So you might want to check it out and start earning. And the good part is that you can do this with just your phone. So you don't need a laptop to get this started. So there are so many of them that you can actually do. The third one is Servicebly. Servicebly is a bit technical and unconventional, but if you are good with tools and you know your way around home repairs, then you can actually make money guiding others on how to fix stuff at home through your phone. Servicebly is a platform where homeowners connect with remote handymen and women to get advice for minor repairs at home. What you do on this platform is just to give instruction through phone calls. It can be through video calls or just phone call or through messaging to guide people on step by step on how to fix certain things at home. no physical labor required. You don't need to be there physically, just giving instruction via your phone. You earn money, giving advice to people. You just get paid for your expertise. That's how you earn from this platform. You can earn as much as $30 per hour, and you can do different section. A section can last for 30 minutes. So this is how this is how this platform works. You can see different amounts attached to different job per hour. This is $99 per hour on site estimates. This is remote estimation. Several work here. Handyman service in Philadelphia. So this is how this platform works. So if you're good with this type of services, you can actually go through this platform to get started. Is then if you can repair minor issues at home, so this is a platform for you to earn passive income. To get started as well, you just go to this platform to sign up, or you check them out on the Play Store or App Store to get started. So this is something you want to try them out and see anyone you can do perfectly well. If the number one didn't work for you, number two can work for you, or number three can work for you. It is different platform to earn passive income online. Let me know in the comment section anyone you'll be trying, and if there's a topic you want me to treat on the way you can earn passive income online, you can drop it on the comment section. So that will be all for this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you again in my next video.